Oh boy, if you did this table, your name now Philip. Your landlord say, man, I tell you, same day regular, they look you. You better tell and say a person you follow come. Oh boy, you don't say poor man no get brand. Where you carry poor man go beer parlor. Normally when big boy enter beer parlor, not even lounge. Just ask him, say, what do you care for? You go here straight up. Heineken. Ask poor man, what do you care for? He say, Baba, which one they get? Anyone, boys, they take out. Someone who say he found Okada for some area for Lagos. You know tell police they arrest everywhere. At the passenger, the police park motor. Police begin arrest boys. I saw what happened. He said they think they are bigger than Lagos. I said what did they do? He said there's no Okada in Lagos. I said but Okada no there. Now I ask the boy, oh now Okada. He said we don't go Okada. Now we the road or revenue Okada or revenue Okada. Police say we don't want your Okada. Now I know why Buhari want ban social media. Nigerians will get mind. You know the person will talk to you one-on-one for social media. They want you. They say get level. When Anthony Joshua win that second fight, I don't know who they handle Buhari page. Now the person tweet, congratulations champion for retaining your belt. That is what champions do. On behalf of the people of Nigeria, I want to tell you we are proud of you. Now somebody reply, very good. Now ask yourself, are we proud of you? Another one say, I wish I can tweet this about you. Why did I crazy? Just the other day here, the Thai create rehabilitation center for Boko Haram where repent. The same Boko Haram members where they tell us they don't be Nigerians. So let the logic. That means we are trying to create rehabilitation center for foreigners who can attack our land. You see, I say we don't get sense, Abi? We are not joking, we are the joke. Which kind of president is this? That guy has said so. When I go shop one day, go from London land for Ghana, they say I can't do that. You don't remember anything. Look at what happened recently. Buhari and Atiku go court. Guy, this country, if they read law for you, you go shame say they read law. When Buhari and Atiku reach court for certificate matter, when they pass judgment, Atiku so when people corruption. Wait till the verdict. They say you don't need to prove, say you go WAEC. So long as you get any of your friends, we fit attest, say you and I'm in the same class, and you say you get them. So imagine say you get company, I cause I define work, you can't say my result, I cause I they come. I can't go carry on to come. You can't say what is it? I said I'm here and I sit down for class. When I give me work, me and this sit down for class. In this life, anything they do, not they look face, impress yourself alone. Sometimes people you are trying to impress are not even watching. The problem in this country is too big for anybody to think of you. Who are you creating? Anything you want to do for yourself. Because what you think say will impress me if they annoy me. Check them now. You never think of them. When woman want to go visit man, she dey take her whole time, they think of waiting to wear. Meanwhile, the idiot today in house is taking whole time, they think of how to pull her. That's why, as far as it's concerned, he want make you come naked. That's why the disagreement is too much. If you go online now, women they buy vagina tightening cream. Meanwhile, men they buy penis enlargement. As you dey tight them, they open them. You dey tight them, they open them. Una two go die there. Ambassador, you know so when show don't let like this, would they deliver like lecture? Yes, so I write down. If you don't like how they look like, if they go now. I have it on our standing authority that Buhari is a Malian. No, you can't be normal and be doing things like this. You are a Malian. How do they know Malians? Malians know they wear belts. Buhari they wear belts. No Agbada they wear. They use belts to Agbada. They say Malians don't have manners. This person know the respect rule of law. You get manners. Malians don't graduate, but you are judged by yourself now. Wait certificate. This country now they do election. INEC say they get server. When they reach court, serve also. Wetin shock me, if you hear news, they said they used 385 million to feed the horses wey parole for the election. 385 million to feed horse for one day. No wonder. No matter how matter hard reach, you cannot draw a conclusion until you hear from the horse's mouth. The chief doctor, you don't say this work now. They will call you around to the say once they don't delay you for back, they say, well, call me now. You say, no worry, now you don't want to see. Now my show. Now, let's joke. Oh, no, not like this. Good. The next joke is corruption. They tell us that they fight corruption. Anybody will announce that if you get slapped, you know they use give them. You know, see for news that they arrest EFCC staff. We won't loot the loot where they recover. The easiest way to curb corruption in this country, I have the answer. Let them change the size of our currency. Let 50 naira be handkerchief, 500 naira pillowcase, 1,000 naira duvet. By the time you think how many duvet you go thief to gather 1 million. Before you think you go ask the thing where they sell it. Because check Nigeria now, no culture. Have you noticed that you go to buy stuff in Nigeria? When you reach the shop, who they sell, who pass you one by? You feel stand there 20 minutes, no greeting. I stand one store, 20 minutes. Now as the girl say, you don't see me. Now the girl say, hey, you know this side the answer person. Man, leave on. But when I go UK, if you see respect, they go respect you, go buy everything you get. Get one day greeting, keep me. Everything when tell me go end up with please. As I come, he says, good morning, please. Are you okay, please? How you doing, please? What do you want, please? As I pick everything, I pay. She give me change. She says, thank you, please. Over that, please me. As I come Nigeria, I say, I enter one restaurant. I say, my friend, can you give me a plate of rice, please? Then he says, bros, this one they put, please. Hope you won't pay. Our madam no deal. So please, I suspect her. Recently, it's on the news. Anything I tell you, Google it. It was on the news that America was going to form ally with Ghana. So they go check Ghanaians' record. If you don't reach 18 years, it come and say you never commit any crime. They go give you 1 month free visa to US. You know, reach 2 hours, America deny you. I said, oh, when I don't smart. Last America try. God they give Ghana free visa. Now that time they see Ghana passport now, Chuku di Mensa. Ike na Fribong. Choma Apia. So which one is Choma Apia? Apia Owonibo. Lately, sweet they don't do. Then I want to like perform class. Anyway, they don't pay me to express. My look one way, you know, so we don't perform, you can't find the one way we take. If you know the, I go like that. I don't pay for this work, I don't pay for the. Every time they say, what did they pay me? Company will perform some idiot. Because then I say, why help you? Then you come crack to you, where you want nonsense laugh. Then the idiot go follow on with you, will go places. You where you don't go. No, you know road. Or one go tell you say, I'm not impressed. I don't come to your office to impress me before. Not that I don't like the way you do this. Switzerland discovered a plane. They call it the solar impulse plane. The plane, no, they use fuel. You know, they use that in solar sun. Check out. They don't test run to the land for Dubai airport. They are considering to put it in the market now. Nigeria. Since 4 years ago, our Minister for Science and Technology said we will soon discover pencil. I don't know which person attention won't drop. Pencil to do what? People don't need to play when they fly with song. But take God back there. May they not bring that plane come here. You know, say now Nigeria, sun they shine for me, the rain they fall for it. As the plane take off, signal go there. Once they reach or no signal. But me, I for like made they bring and made they carry only politicians. That time to keep politicians no go hard. All we need to do now to bring you at a lab, we tell and say, wait here. As Sunday when the plane take off, we go tell and draw in. Enjoy the rest of the night, ladies and gentlemen. Good night.